Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how Tory Lanez is arrested again in the Megan Thee Stallion case. Let's get right into it. Lanez was taken into custody before being released on bond following an April 5th hearing involving allegations that he shot rapper Megan Thee Stallion in the foot after a party in 2020. According to the Rolling Stone, Judge David Hereford increased Lanez bail from $250,000 to $350,000 at the hearing. The rapper, whose real name is Daystar Peterson, was found to have broken court orders prohibiting him from contacting Megan or discussing any discovery in the case with third parties, according to the judge. Lanez allegedly disobeyed the court order by directly addressing Megan on social media and revealing DNA evidence through a third-party Twitter user. TMZ reports that Judge Hereford said a tweet from Lanez in February directly addressed Megan, referring to a post from Lanez that reads, "Good d*** had me two best friends, and I got caught. That's what I apologized for. It's sick how you spun it though." According to Rolling Stone, a YouTube personality known as DJ Academics claimed that Tory Lanez DNA was not found on the weapon allegedly used to shoot Megan in the feet in a since-deleted social media post on February 23rd. On top of that, a follow-up tweet from Academics on February 23rd said that results were inconclusive in finding Tory DNA on the gun or magazine. According to the publication, Lanez lawyer Sean Hawley claimed that Lanez did not provide Academics with information prior to the February tweet. Hawley reportedly said in the court, what DJ Academics said is that the DNA was not found on the weapon, and in fact, the swab of the gun indicates inconclusive, that there were 4 contributors. Following Lanez's arrest and release, Hawley told People the DA requested that Mr. Peterson bail be revoked, or, in the alternative, that it be increased to $5 million. We are pleased that the court rejected those outrageous requests. For those of you who need some trip down memory lane, Lanez was charged with 1 felony count of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, 1 felony count of personal use of a firearm, and 1 felony count of carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle in October 2020. He has pleaded not guilty to those charges, stemming from Megan Thee Stallion's feet being shot in the summer of 2020. In July of 2020, Megan Thee Stallion was seen getting into a police car with bloody feet, allegedly due to broken glass, and was taken to the hospital. She was arrested after a night of partying with friends, but Lanez, who was also in the car, was later arrested for having an unregistered firearm. It wasn't until a few days later that Megan publicly claimed in a since-deleted Instagram post that she had suffered gunshot wounds to her feet as a result of a crime that was committed against me and done with the intention to physically harm her. At the time, she did not specify who had shot her. Following her public accusation, Lanez has maintained her denial of the allegations. He reportedly questioned whether she had been shot in the first place, despite the fact that her medical records showed she had, and claimed that even if she had, she wouldn't have been able to see who was shooting if she was walking away from the car at the time of her injuries. Before the court proceedings began, podcaster DJ Academics alleged on Twitter that it was revealed in court a few moments ago that Tory Lanez's DNA was not found on the weapon in the Meg Thee Stallion case. Without a doubt, Lanez is fully supportive of Academics' claim and tweeted, "Ac is telling no lies." But Rolling Stone reporter Nancy Dillon begged to differ and tweeted, "There was zero mention of DNA at the Tory Lanez hearing today. The report that Tory's lawyer told court DNA results were pleasing to his side is totally fabricated." 2 sources tell Rolling Stone. "I'm about to receive the transcript. Will update." Earlier last year in January, Megan named Lanez as an abuser in a set of tweets about the incident. She wrote, "Y'all can't tell when it's fake news." She then added, "Y'all still don't see an abuser picking with me." The first court date got pushed back because of the inauguration, but I can't wait until the MF facts come out. About a month after the incident, Megan named Lanez as the person she claimed shot her. She said, "You shot me, and you got your publicist and your people going to these blogs lying. Stop lying," she then added. "Why lie? I don't understand. I tried to keep the situation off the internet, but you're dragging it." Megan's case became stronger when LAPD detective Ryan Stogner testified in December 2021 that Lanez shouted, "Dance," before shooting Megan in the foot. Stogner testified at the time Megan observed Mr. Peterson holding a firearm, and then she observed him start to shoot. Stogner then added, "Megan immediately felt pain to her feet, observed blood, fell to the ground, and then crawled to an adjacent driveway of a residence. She described her injuries as bleeding profusely." According to Megan's account, Lanez apologized for shooting her and offered her money and begged her not to say anything, according to the detective. Megan also told the detective that Lanez made a reference to the fact he was already on probation. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.